Today is autocross day and I'm back in my car. So the last two events I've driven other people's cars. Super excited to be back in mine. We are back at Georgetown Airport today too. So it's going to be super fun. I think there's either practice for an air show or an air show happening today too. So while we're here racing, we'll get to see super cool airplanes. So that's going to be exciting. Yeah, so right now we're just waiting for the driver's meeting and all that. So the car is just sitting here ready to go and we're getting started. Back in the Z. We're heading over to Grid. It's actually started raining. I've never autocrossed in the rain. I'm actually kind of excited to see how this goes. Oh, I think we're first.
So it's raining. Shellie got her rain.
I did.
Now we're standing on our overhang.
For a lightning break.
Because there was lightning spotted.
It's pretty stormy.
It's dangerous. Safety is when nothing happens.
So we totally did get a storm. It's super stormy. So much so that we have lightning spotted in the distance, and lightning makes us shut down for, I don't know, a few minutes. I think it's like a 5-minute break, or until there is no more lightning. We're all just hanging out in a little awning at the airport, waiting for the storm to clear a little bit, and then we'll get back to it. Lightning break is over. Most of the rain is gone, but it's still raining a little bit. Lightning is done, so we waited the 30 minutes. We're back in the car. We're all strapped in, ready to go. Justin's riding right along with me today. 2 days later. We raced on Saturday. Today's Monday. So we ended up having a super long day on Saturday. We drove the box fan home, and it was a slow trip home. So we didn't get home until about 8, and then just didn't do anything on Sunday. So we're doing race results 2 days later, all cleaned up. So this event was number 7 with the SCCA, and me and Justin drove the 280 as you saw, and I had a particularly terrible day. I'm not sure why. I could not get it together. I could not make a good run to save my own life. Results up. So we're gonna go through our results. So me and Justin both ran in the 280. Justin ended his day with a 73.230, and I ended my day with, my best run was an 82.337, but that was with 2 cones. So my 2 cones made that an 86.337. Like, I, for whatever reason, in the sweeper, like after you came through the sweeper in the back, I would come through the sweeper, do the little slalom, and then I just couldn't see the course. I'm not sure what it was. I guess sometimes it just happens that way. I'm not too terribly upset about it. I was super excited to be back in the 280 after 2 events not driving it. So it was still a good day. I finally got to autocross in the rain, which is something that I have said more than once that I wanted to do, and it has just never happened. But it finally did rain, so I think I actually did my fastest run in the rain, but it turned out to be, I'm looking at my laptop, it's like I keep looking down, but it turned out to be a 79.8 and a DNF. I actually think that the DNF was, I went the harder way around the cone, so it's not like I took a shortcut. I finally almost put it together, but just didn't quite make it. So all in all, it was a good day. We had a 30-minute break for lightning, as you saw, and we got to watch a cool airplane fly around for a few minutes. It was a really good day, and I look forward to it. The next event, I think, is at Michelin, but we won't make that one. So we'll probably end up back at Georgetown. I feel like Georgetown is like the site that I cannot defeat, so maybe I'll do some soul searching between now and then and figure out what my deal is with Georgetown and put it all together. But anyways, if you'd like to see results, I'll put a link for the results down at the bottom, and you can check out our times and see what everybody's times look like and what all the different cars that come out are and what they run. And if you like what you see and you want to keep watching us race and watching me drive terribly most of the time, it seems like that's what we do these days, then you can subscribe down at the bottom, this side or this side, somewhere down there. There's a subscribe button. So go ahead and subscribe and like it, and we'll see you next time. All right, James, we need some tire spin and some real good noise. All the raindrops on the windshield. Justin's excited.